Hey Steve, I started looking at your data this morning. I just wanted to show you a quick demo of your data running on, in this case it's actually on a BlackBerry Playbook, but this could just as easily be an iPad or any other Android device as well. It's the same application, so I've just set up a configuration file that loads it. There it is. Let's just open the layer list, and we'll just turn off some layers. I've got weather data here, we don't really need that. In fact, why don't I just turn everything off apart from water mains. I just took some selected layers from the list you gave me just to demo it. So let's go, let's just zoom in, let's come in somewhere in here. Okay, there we go. So we're just reloading the data. Actually at this point let's just turn on the as-built water. I just want to show you a feature layer. So these are all feature layers, as you've probably seen. They're not dynamic layers. Feature layers tend to render a bit more, tend to slow down mobile applications quite a bit, I've found. I can tell you a bit more about that, but let me just show you what we've got. So we've got basically two layers turned on here. If we tap one of these polygons, we obviously get the attributes, and we can pan down and just see everything that's in there. Turn that off. Let's look at, we'd obviously need to make this a little bit bigger for finger touch. Again, I want to, there we go. We coloured it red. I mean, there's obviously things in here that will need to be changed for a production version of this application. I mean, the styling obviously is just a default style. We've just set up sort of dummy styling for this. It wouldn't look like this in the final app. That will be something obviously we'd need to look at. We need to make some of the features slightly bigger as they appear on here, so it's easy to finger tap to get the information. And then performance would be something else we'd need to look at as well. We'd need to make sure the application performs as fast as is possible. Feature layers or dynamic layers or even tiled layers, but this was really just for me to show you that yes, your data does load and it does get dynamically reprojected in the viewer. So even though you've got it in a specific projection, it does actually get reprojected dynamically to WebMarcator. Now we could obviously use some of the other tools that we've got in here. Now again, we just set this up just to give example of tools that could be used. There's no reason that we would include these tools in the application that you would need, but these are just sample tools that that allow you to do various things, and again, and the design of the application. Again, it's just a general. We just build a generic view of this stuff, so that could be changed as well. But just a demo to show that your data loads, and we can talk more beyond beyond this video. So I'll send a link to this. Hey, take a look, and we can talk more. Thanks, Steve.